Myself, Dr. Ansari Farzana Vaiduzama from Department of Chemistry, JT Art Science and Commerce College, Malegaon. Welcome all of you. Today we shall discuss about the qualitative analysis of organic compound. Chemical analysis of any compound mainly covers two important aspects: qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. Qualitative analysis is concerned with identification and separation of chemical substances, whereas quantitative analysis is concerned with the determination of the amount of chemical substance present in a sample. We shall continue our discussion here to analysis of organic compound. A large number of organic compounds are covalent in nature and water insoluble. The reagent used for the detection of element in organic compound are inorganic in nature, that are water soluble. Hence, organic compound containing various elements needs to be converted into inorganic compound. This can be done by sodium fusion test, and this test is also called as Lisian's test. Who discovered this test? Qualitative analysis of organic compound is the branch of chemistry which is concerned with finding element and chemical composition of unknown substance. When two organic solids are mixed together, the nature of the such mixture becomes solid. When one solid and one liquid are mixed together, the nature becomes a solid liquid. When two liquids are mixed together, such mixture is called as liquid mixture. Types of organic compound. Organic compounds are of four types, as acid, phenol, base and neutral. Acids functional group are RCOH, ArCOH, nitroacid or ArCOHNO2, phenol, AROH, nitrophenol. Its functional group of acid is RCOH, that means aliphatic carboxylic acid, aromatic carboxylic acid, phenol, AROH or nitrophenol, that means AROHNO2. Bases are primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. If it is primary amine, its functional group is ARNH2. If it is secondary amine, its functional group is ARNHR. Tertiary amine, its functional group becomes ARNR2. Nitroamine, that means ARNH2NO2. if AR कब लिखेंगे, जब वो और एरोमेटिक रहेगा. Neutrals are aldehyde, ketone, carbohydrate, ester, alcohol, hydrocarbon, nitrohydrocarbon, amide and enolides. These are the functional group of neutral compound. Systematic analysis of binary mixture, that means mixture of two substances, are called as binary mixture. When binary mixture is given for analysis, the component are separated and detected through following steps. First step for binary analysis is determination of nature of mixture, that means mixture are whether crystalline amorphous or liquid solid or solid. Determination of type of the mixture, that means whether the mixture is acid base, acid phenol, base neutral, base phenol, etc. and etc. Separation of mixture into two components. Then before proceeding its purification and determination of functional group, they must separate from one another. Purification of the fourth step is purification of component by recrystallization or sublimation, whereas fifth step is determination of physical constant, that means melting point and boiling point, and last step is literature survey for melting point and boiling point of the compound. First step is type determination of binary mixture. Determination of nature of binary mixture. The nature of binary mixture may of three types: solid liquid. Then detection of nature of mixture. Then 2 drops of mixture on a dry wash glass and blow with the mouth. If solid is obtained after blowing with mouth, you can say that nature is solid liquid. And if no solid is obtained, then nature is liquid. Then determination of type of binary mixture. In case of solid mixture, it is necessary first to find out the type of mixture and then the component are separated. हमेशा अगर मिक्सचर सॉलिड रहेगा तो पहले उसकी टाइप मालूम करना है, फिर उसको सेपरेट करना है. लेकिन अगर सॉलिड और लिक्विड या लिक्विड रहेगा तो पहले सेपरेट करना है, फिर उसकी टाइप मालूम करना है. ये फ़र्क रहता है. ओके, तो अगर सॉलिड है तो पहले हम टाइप मालूम करेंगे कि वो एसिड फिनॉल है, एसिड बेस है, एसिड न्यूट्रल है, फिनॉल बेस है कि फिनॉल न्यूट्रल है कि बेस न्यूट्रल है कि न्यूट्रल है. ये डिटरमाइन करेंगे पहले. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.